Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. Alright, so once you're logged into your Shopify account, what you want to do is we're gonna install an app called Spreader, and this is my recommended app for connecting Amazon products into your Shopify store. So you want to click on this one Spreader app, or you can just go into the Shopify app store right here if you can see that in your search bar. And then once you're here, you want to click on the Amazon Importer Spreader app, and then you want to click on Install. And then once you're there, you would just install it, and it's very basic. So we're just gonna go and install this into our app store. Click on Install, and then from here, you would be able to install it. You just need to wait a few moments. And now right here, and I'm gonna go click on Approve. And now once you are in the Spreader app, it should look like this. But in my case, I actually already have added a product right here, just a testing. So what you want to do once you're here is you simply want to go into Amazon.com, and from here you want to choose a product that you would want to import into your Shopify store. So in my case, I'll just choose a random product, maybe this one. And now once you have selected your product, all you have to do basically is just copy the link right here. So for example, you want this product, copy that, go back into Spreader and just paste the product link right here. Click on paste, click on add product next. And then now it would, as you can see, connect Amazon into Shopify right here. So we just need to wait for this one to load, and we should be seeing the product right here. And then as you can see, it has been added successfully. You can now close that. And then from here, you would be able to edit it right here. But take note of the notice right here. This is very important. You need to set up your Amazon affiliate ID first if you are focused on sales commission. So you wouldn't actually be able to earn with this one if you don't have an Amazon affiliate ID right here. So you want to make sure that you have that first before connecting your Amazon into Shopify. So if you don't have that yet, then you can search my other videos. I have made videos about that. And then once you're here, you want to click on edit right here, and then you can actually edit that in your Shopify account right here. And you can edit the description, the title, the price, the status, the images right here, and everything. So you can just edit it. But in my case, I'll just leave it be since this is just an example. But of course, in your case, you should edit it so that it won't be exactly the same, and your price, of course. And then once you're done with everything, all you have to do is just go click on save right here. And actually, you need to go and change your price right here so that the save button would appear right here. Click on save. And then once you're done, product is now saved. And just like that, when you go into your products into your Shopify store, you should be seeing that Amazon product right here in your Shopify store. And that is basically how you can connect Amazon to Shopify. It's very easy, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.